Good day to everyone. This is the final requirements for um, networking, and the problem is problem number 5. So, so the problem is you are at the three-story mall that has been in operation for 5 years since its opening. There has been no maintenance performed on the network infrastructure or end user's device. Wi-Fi can be easily hacked on and used for cybercrimes. Eventually, all the devices failed as a station. As a solution on the mall manager purchased 35 new computer units along that with 10 switches and 3 routers, 1 PT routers and two 2811 routers, which are to be distributed across the 3 floors for network configuration. Only OSPF open short test path first. It's used to be Your task is to design the new network accordingly. So open the Cisco Packet Tracer. One BT router. Um, 22011. Off lang to. And drag the tweak duty. Then open. Then ganun naman sa kabila. Off lang. And tweak duty. Drag lang. And open. Then lalagay tayo ng switches. Bali 10 switches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then maglagay tayo ng 35 PC. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, then last 5, PC, 27, 8, 9, 30. So, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35. So, i-connect din natin yung PC to switch. Yan. Yan.
If this girl is born as cheap jewelry like you all, I'm done! You will have to get out of
Reconnect lang natin. Ayan, mas mabilis. Lang. Yan din, connect lang din.
Thank you so much. You won't regret it.
Everything is fine, boss. Tomorrow is the meeting with Blue Diamond. The proposal is good, but at this time my company does not need this service. Boss, I'm sorry.
So, connect natin yung switch sa ano, switch. Yung sa crossover cable yung ano natin, yung switch sa pagko-connect. Yan. Crossover yung cable yung gamitin. Ayan. Serial. Yan, connect lang natin.
Everything is in order, boss. Tomorrow is the big day.
Yan, serial
Thank you for the
2 ang gamitin yun.
It was incredible.
Nalagay lang tayo ng fast Ethernet. Ano ito at 168, not 10, at 100, copy. Then, set na lang sa PC.
Oh yeah.
Ayan. Sa serial 2 naman din, naglagay tayo ng IP address 10.0.0.1. Pagla natin yung clock rate niya. Clock rate 20 million. Lagay na natin yung CIL niya. Exit. Enter. Router. OSPF 1. Enter. Network 192.168.100. That's 255 area 0. Network 10.0.0.0 space 0 255 area 0. So, lagay muna tayo ng fast Ethernet sa router 1. 172.168.100.1. So, So, copy. Then, on lang. Ayan. Then, set lang natin yung PC din sa desktop. IP address na set lang natin. Ayan. Paste. .2. Control A. Control C. And yan yung serial niya. Serial tray /0. 10.0.0.2. Then, 1 lang. Yung CIL niya din, lagay natin. Exit. Router. OSPF. .1. Work 72 168 100 area 255 area 0 network 10 0 255 area 0 then exit. So yun, magsasend tayo ng packets to PC to PC. Yan. So yun, nag-successful siya. And dito na tayo sa kabila. So yun. 3/1.
Ato yan, i-power up ko.
Yan, 3/1.
Lapasin.
Yan. Set lang natin yung
I-view ka.
config niya. Then, tapos Ethernet. Then, type lang yung IP address 127.168.100.1. On. So, nag-invalid siya. Then, let's try yung 128 yung lalagay natin. 168.100.1. So, ito. So, yun, pwede. Then, copy. Paste lang natin din sa PC. Desktop. Yun. Paste. Then 2. And Control A. Control V. Yun. Mag-ano tayo ng serial /1. Maglalagay tayo ng IP address dito. 20.0.0.1. Then on lang yun. Ayan. Then another serial /1. Then 20.0.0.2. So yun, pwede. Agree na siya guys. Then maglalagay tayo ng CLI. Then enter. Then exit. Then router OSPF 1 and network 128.168.100.0 0.0.255 area 0. network na 20.0.0.0 space then 0 255.255.255 area 0 enter and exit. Ayan, tapos na yung CLI nun. Next router and another CLI para makonect yung isa, then exit, enter, and router OSPF 1, enter, network 20.0.0.0.255.255 area 0 network. May exit na lang pala. So let's try to send packets to PC if magsa-successful ba. So yun, successful siya. Then another PC. So yun, successful siya. And so maglalagay tayo ng IP address dun sa other PC, sa PC. Then click lang, then i-paste na lang natin yan, copy, then i-paste natin dito, paste, then that for then lagay natin yung default gateway nya. So mag-i-skip din tayo dyan guys na maglalagay ng IP address para mabilis. So yun guys, tapos na tayo na IP address dun sa router 0, ganun din sa router 1. So let's try to yun, na-paste lang din para mabilis. Then copy, ganun lang din, copy lang yun, yan, then paste lang, then that 2 na pala kasi nagawa na natin yung IP address ng sa router 1, yung default gateway nya. Yun. So skip natin tong IP address nito para mabilis. So yun, tapos natin nag IP address din sa router 1, then sunod na natin tong router 2. Ganun lang din, ipipaste lang natin para mabilis. Yan, copy na lang yan. Para i-skip na lang natin dito na part para mabilis siya. So tapos na natin nag IP address dito sa router 2. So mag-send packets na tayo sa PC to PC. So ito, yan, tignan natin. Ulitin, let's try. So yun, let's try. So yun, success siya. So ulitin lang para maano. Wait lang. Success naman siya. So yun, success siya. And let's try another. Let's try. So So yun, success siya. So actually lahat naman na success. Then thank you for watching.